Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. As we are doing the topographical map, this is very important part for your ICSE Geography. Why? As I said, this is the compulsory part. In my previous video, we discussed about the 4-figure grid reference and 6-figure grid reference. And similarly, today we'll discuss about the next important topic, that is the contours. You will see in the topographical map there will be many more brown color lines, it will be there. There will be many more brown color lines, it will be there. Basically those are the contour lines. Now the question it will be there, define contour. So what is contour? Remember, the contours are the imaginary line that's drawn over the map which connect the equal height place from the mean sea level. This is the definition of contours. So contours are the imaginary line which connect the equal height place from the mean sea level. Those are called the contours. And contours, it will be marked always with the brown color. And you will see, you will observe one thing, those contour lines, it may be very close, it may be far away, it may be haphazard, in different way it will be spreaded or different way it will be marked, but it will never cross each other. The contours lines, it will not never cross each other. It is not parallel, but it will not cross each other, right? The next important concept we need to know, that is a contour interval. Now what is contour interval? Contour interval is the vertical gap or vertical distance between the two consecutive or successive contours. Remember here, two consecutive and successive, those are the important key terms here you need to remember. And as per the map you are getting, that is the G43S7 and G43S10, remember one thing, very commonly asked question, what is the contour interval given in the map? Remember that it will be given in your topographical map also. What is the contour interval? Contour interval always is 20 meters. It means the distance between the two consecutive contours, the vertical difference it will be there always 20 meters. Those are called the contour interval. Remember the definition of contours, definition of contour interval, and what is the contour interval given in the map, that you need to remember first. Next, here you can see, according to the contour pattern, you will be able to understand the landforms. According to your syllabus, you need to know these things: steep slope, gentle slope, hill, valley, ridge or water divide, and escarpment. Those are the landforms you need to identify. Now how will identify those landforms? Remember, steep slope, where the contours lines it will be very close. So here you can see those contour line in that area are very close. So when the contours lines are very close, it means the steep slope it will be there, right? Because the gap, vertical gap between the two consecutive contours is 20 meters. The contours lines are very close. It means what? Vertical gap it will be more. It means the slope it will be more. So where the contours are very close, so there will be steep slope. On the other hand, this area you can see, this area where the contours are not there even, right? It means the contours are far away from each other. It means those are almost the even land. So those time you will consider it as a gentle slope. So steep slope and gentle slope, both the things are clear, very easy, right? Where the contours it will be close, that is the steep slope. When contours it will be far away, then it is the gentle slope. Now you will see the hill. Remember, for hill, in the contours pattern it will be there in the circular way. Contours patterns it will be there in the circular way, and as I said, it will be concentric circle. So here it will see the hills, the concentric circles it will be there like this, right? The contours patterns it will be there like this concentric circle, and you will see toward the center the value of contours it will be more, and outside the value of contours it will be less. So here obviously the landforms it will form, that it will be like this. The landforms it will be formed like this, like the hills. So those are called the hills, right? So next one, that is the valley. When there will be highland and lowlands, highlands and lowlands, contours it will be two different directions, right? One contours it will go like this, and another contours it will go like this, in that way. So here you can see in between the gap there will be valley. So this portion it will be considered, this portion it will be considered valley. So you will see the contour pattern like this. Next you will see the ridge or water divide. So here you will see the big concentric circles, it will be there like this, and in between the big concentric circle in the center part there will be more circles, it will be there, in between there will be more circles, it will be there. So that time it will be called ridge. The landforms it will be formed like like this. So that time we will consider it as a ridge. Next one, the escarpment. Remember, where the one side of the map contours it will be very close and another side contours it will be far away, right? So that time it will be called the escarpment. Now how it will be there? Like this, right? So here you will see this side the contours are very close. This side contours are very close, these are the far away. So the landforms it will develop, it will be like this. It will be like this. So one side is a steep slope, another side that is a gentle slope. So that time it will be called escarpment. So those are the landforms only you need to remember for your exam. So from the contour patterns only you will be able to understand the landform. Let me show you the contours pattern, how it may be given. So here you can see, if the question paper it will be there, some part of the map it will be given. Here you can see. So here you can see the contours pattern, different contours pattern. Here you can see the concentric circles are there, right? In between the concentric circle, here you can see concentric circles are there, and there you can see many more circles are there in the center. So here that is the ridge. Here is another example of ridge. Here you can see the concentric circles, and there in between there are another circles are there, right? So these are called the ridge, and when only concentric circles it will be there, like this particular point you can see, this is the hill, only concentric circles are there. So those are the hill. Now one side escarpment. Now next, that is the escarpment. Escarpment you will see one side contours it will be very close, another side contours they will be far away from each other. So that time it will be called ridge. So another thing, the water divide. Here the contours lines are there. So there you can see the water divide, right? So those are the things you need to know. You have to identify the landforms according to that, right? Next, here you can see these are the other important terms you need to know, right? This is also as per the contour line, that is also showing the height of the place from the sea level. So how it will be marked? In the topographical map, you will get the height of a particular place through the triangulated height, spot height, benchmark, and the relative height or relative depth. And you will also get the survey tree number. From there also you will get the height. So here let me show you how the triangulated height it will be marked. In the map you will get the triangle, and along with the triangle some number it will be written. Those are called the triangulated height. It means the height of the place is according to the number that much meter from the mean sea level, or from the sea level the height of the place is that much meter. And why it is triangle? Because those place height it was not measured after reaching there straightway through the triangulation methods. It means in math you have done the triangulation method, the trigonometry, right? You can measure the height of a particular place without reaching to the particular place. Those are called the triangulated height. So here you can see the number it is there 1327, and according to that here you can see one triangle is there, the black color triangle, and number is there 1327. It means the height of the particular place is 1327 meter from the sea level. Those are called the triangulated height. Next one, spot height. Spot height it will be marked with black, one simple dot, and along with the dot some number it will be written, suppose 372. It means the height of the particular place is 372 meters from the sea level. Now remember, the spot height it will be measured like here you can see the spot height it will be measured like this 8.842. It means the height of the particular place is 842 meters from the sea level. Now, how this point it will be taken? These points it will be taken as per the contours lines, right? As per the contours, nearby contour lines, that height it will be taken, approx height it will be taken. That is the 842 meters, right? Next one, benchmark. For benchmark, you will see that along with the number, it will be again written with the black, and along with the number, BM it will be written. Here you can see the BM it will be written along with the number. It will be written BM and then the number. Suppose 0.581. So it means the height of the place is 581 meter from the sea level. Now, why BM is so important? BM means the benchmark, right? Survey for the whole area at a time is not possible. You need to do the survey in very minor way. So that's why you need to do the survey with a long time. With long time duration, you will be able to complete the survey of the particular place. So for that purpose, once the height of the particular place from the sea level it will be measured. So this BM and this number it will be marked on some permanent place like the big stone or big buildings or sometime on the tree. So those permanent place, those mark it will be given that BM and that number. So what will be the advantage? Next time when the surveyor will do the survey further in that area, so they can take it as a reference and they can do the survey of surrounding area, right? So there will be no wastage of time. That's called benchmark. Next, relative height and relative depth. Remember, relative height and relative depth, that it is not the height from the sea level. Maximum time student used to make mistake on that relative height or relative depth is not the height from the sea level, is the height from the surroundings. That's why it's called relative height or relative depth. And now remember one thing, when it will be written R in black, like some number and then the R, it means that is the black color means the height, and when it will be written some number and the small r and that it will be marked with blue color, it means that's showing the depth, right? So here you can see, as I said, it will be written with a black. So 0.5 r, 0.5 r, it means the height of the place from the surrounding is 5 meter. And if it will be written with blue color like 0.5 r, so it means the depth of the place is 5 meter from the surrounding. Remember, as per the question given, you need to write the same way. Suppose on the river, it will be written 5 r in black. That time you need to write the height of the river bank 5 meter. And if the question it will be there and the mark it will be there the blue color, so that time you need to write the depth of the river is 5 meter. Although its strengths are same, both the strengths are same, but according to the question you need to answer. So 5 r in black, height, 5 r in blue, that is depth. Similarly, it can be given along with the well, along with the tank. So according to that, you need to answer those questions. And sometime it will be given along with the sand dunes also. So what will be the complete answer? Complete answer it will be there. Suppose it will be given on sand dunes. So the answer it will be the height of the sand dunes is 5 meter from the surroundings, or the height of the river bank 5 meter from the surroundings. So you need to answer the completely in that way, right? That's it for the contours. Contours interval. What is the contour interval given in the map? The landforms we will be able to find out as per the contours patterns and those heights. Triangulated height, spot height, benchmark, relative height or relative depth. And also there is a survey tree. Survey tree, you will see the tree mark it will be there. Along with the tree, there will be some number it will be written. Remember, that is not the tree number. It indicates the tree is located that much meter height from the sea level. Thank you very much for watching KSK Geography. Similarly, I will come with some other important topic of topographical map. So for that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share with your friends. Thank you very much.